Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable the touchscreen feature in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to power on your computer and wait patiently while Windows 11 completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding to ensure the process goes smoothly. Once your PC is ready and you can see your desktop, direct your attention to the Windows Start menu located in your taskbar. Go ahead and click on it to open the Start menu. In the search field that appears, type in regedit. This will bring up the registry editor, which is a powerful tool that lets you modify system settings at a deeper level. Press enter to launch it. When the registry editor window opens, you'll see a list of folders on the left side of the screen. Start by locating and expanding the folder labeled hka_current_user. Click on the arrow next to it to reveal its contents. Within this folder, you'll need to find and expand the software folder by clicking the arrow beside it as well. This folder contains various program and system settings. Now, inside the software folder, scroll down until you find the Microsoft folder and expand it. This is where many of Windows' core settings are stored. From there, look for a folder named WISP and open it. Inside the WISP folder, you'll see an option called Touch. Go ahead and click on this folder to open it. Here's where you'll make the important changes. Within the Touch folder, right-click anywhere in the empty space on the right side of the window. When the context menu appears, hover your cursor over the option that says New. This will expand another menu with additional options. From this expanded list, click on DODY:32-bit:value. This action creates a new registry entry that you'll use to control the touchscreen feature. A new registry file will now appear in the Touch folder. You'll need to modify this file to make it functional. Right-click on the newly created file and select the option to modify or rename it. First, give it the name TouchGate. This specific name is crucial because Windows uses it to recognize the touchscreen setting. Next, you'll need to set the value data field. To enable the touchscreen, enter the number 1 in the value data field, then click OK to save your changes. This tells Windows to activate touchscreen functionality. If you want to disable the touchscreen instead, simply enter the number 0 in the value data field and click OK. After making your selection, you'll need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Once your PC reboots, your touchscreen will either be enabled or disabled based on the value you entered. And just like that, you've successfully controlled your touchscreen settings through the Windows registry. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.